If you want a free tool that predicts exactly where the market is going, watch this video all the way through. I'm going to show you exactly how to get access to the correlation and forecast tool. This thing is a banger. As you guys can see here, we're on the 15-minute chart. We had a huge sell-off on US 30 because of news. And what this indicator does is it plots this blue box. And then essentially this white line is exactly what it thinks that the market is going to do. And I say thinks that because no indicator is 100%. Obviously, you want to use this in confluence with other indicators. Right now, we're also looking at the reversal matrix. And if we get an overbought, okay, an oversold, I mean, we're going to go ahead and enter the market and we can see this rise, retest, and then, from there, we'll see exactly what the market is doing. But this indicator right here is literally for free. This was only available for lifetime members. And the way this indicator works is it marks off this blue box. And essentially what it does is it looks back to the past. Okay, we're going to keep on strolling here. And it basically looks back at the past and it follows the exact candlestick patterns and momentum. And essentially it just duplicates it. Okay, it's looking back, X amount of candles. And it's basically looking for an area right here, as you guys can see, where the market did the same exact thing. And as you guys can see here, once the market went down, the market came up, retested, and so on and so forth. This white area is exactly what it's predicting that the market will do now. And as you guys can even see right here on the oversold, guess what? Remember what I said. If we get an oversold right now in the market where we're at, we're entering long. And as you guys can see that this move would have been a nice move upward of 450 pips on US 30, which is completely ridiculous. And you can get this tool by going into the comment section, clicking the Discord, and you're not only going to just get this indicator, you're going to get like 4 or 5 different indicators, and this changes throughout the month, but this one is available for you guys to use right now. I suggest you guys go to the link in the description if you're ready to make money, ready to take your trading to the next level. Trusted Signals has you covered. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.